There's nothing quite like bringing the outdoors in. A touch of green can brighten any corner of your home. What better way to do this than with a charming DIY hanging garden? Hanging gardens are all the rage, and for good reason. They're relatively easy to make, totally customizable, and add a touch of whimsy to any space. Imagine vibrant plants cascading from recycled bottles, transforming your home into a green oasis.
This project is perfect for a weekend activity, allowing you to flex your creative muscles while doing your part for the environment.
Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, this project is sure to spark joy. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your materials, and let's get started on creating your very own hanging garden.
We all have them, those empty glass bottles that pile up after a week of meals. Instead of tossing them out, why not give them a new lease on life?
Upcycling isn't just trendy, it's a wonderful way to reduce waste and create something beautiful at the same time. Glass bottles with their various shapes and sizes make fantastic planters. Imagine a vintage wine bottle housing a delicate fern, or a repurposed juice bottle bursting with colorful succulents. The possibilities are endless.
The beauty of upcycling is that it allows you to personalize your creations. You can wrap your bottles with twine, paint them in vibrant hues, or simply let their natural beauty shine through. Remember, each bottle has a story to tell, and now it can be a part of your garden's narrative.
Ready to get your hands dirty? Let's transform those empty bottles into stunning hanging gardens. This project is surprisingly simple, and I'll guide you through each step.
Materials you'll need: empty glass bottles, wine bottles, juice bottles, etc. Twine or strong string asterisk scissors. Hammer and a nail for creating drainage holes. Potting soil suitable for your chosen plants. Small plants, succulents, herbs, small ferns, etc. Decorative elements, optional pebbles, moss, figurines. Let's get crafting. 1. Prepare your bottles. Clean your bottles thoroughly and remove any labels. Using a hammer and nail, carefully create a few drainage holes in the bottom of each bottle.
1. Create the hanging mechanism. Cut a length of twine or string long enough to hang your bottle at your desired height. Fold the twine in half and knot the two ends together to form a loop.
1. Secure the bottle. Thread the looped end of the twine through the neck of the bottle, ensuring the knot is resting inside the bottle. This creates a secure hanging mechanism.
1. Pot your plants. Add a layer of potting soil to the bottle. Gently remove your chosen plants from their original containers and loosen their roots slightly. Place the plants in the bottle, adding more soil as needed.
1. Add the finishing touches. Now for the fun part. Get creative and personalize your hanging garden. You can wrap twine around the bottle's neck, add a layer of pebbles for drainage, or even create miniature scenes with moss and figurines.
Now that you have your hanging gardens ready, it's time to select the perfect plant inhabitants. The key is to choose plants that thrive in a contained environment and won't become too large for your bottle homes.
Here are a few suggestions. Succulents. These low-maintenance beauties are perfect for beginners. They store water in their leaves, making them drought-tolerant.
Herbs. Imagine fresh basil, mint, or thyme always within reach. Herbs not only smell divine, but also add a touch of culinary delight to your kitchen.
Small ferns. These delicate plants love humidity, making them ideal for bathrooms or kitchens with good air circulation.
Air plants. For a truly unique touch, consider air plants. These fascinating plants don't require soil and can thrive solely on air and occasional misting.
Remember to research each plant's specific needs in terms of sunlight and watering. With a little care and attention, your chosen plants will flourish in their new suspended homes.
Congratulations! You've successfully transformed ordinary bottles into extraordinary hanging gardens. Now, it's all about enjoying your creations and keeping them thriving.
Here are a few maintenance tips. Watering. Water your plants sparingly, ensuring the soil doesn't become waterlogged. Check the soil moisture regularly and adjust your watering schedule accordingly.
Sunlight. Place your hanging gardens in a location that receives adequate sunlight based on your chosen plant's needs. Rotate the bottles occasionally to ensure even growth.
Fertilizing. Give your plants a boost with a diluted liquid fertilizer every few weeks during the growing season.
Your hanging gardens will add a touch of verdant charm to your home. They make wonderful conversation starters and thoughtful, eco-friendly gifts. More importantly, they're a testament to your creativity and your commitment to sustainable living. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty you've brought to life.